This video is in response to a question we just received from a potential AdapTable user asking whether it was possible to use their own charting library, their third-party charting library, in conjunction with AdapTable. Now, most AdapTable users use AG Grid's charts because AdapTable is a powerful AG Grid extension, so we provide lots of functionality that allow you easily to hook into AG Grid's excellent charts. However, you can also, if you want, use external charts, as we will show now. So first, let's make this full screen. And this example here, we've just selected some cells, and you can see that we've added a context menu item called Show Charts, and I'm able to see a pie chart. We're using the HighCharts library here, but you can use any charting library, and obviously you can do the same to see the line chart, or indeed to see the bar chart. So here, essentially, we've created 3 HighCharts charts dynamically using this selected data. But in fact, you can go further as well because you can actually define and save charts as well. So let's go full screen and have a look at this grid. And here you can see that we've defined 2 charts, one called GitHub Stars Line Chart and one called Frameworks Pie Chart. And we've also provided 2 containers above and below the grid. So let's see what that means. So these are custom containers that we've provided in this demo, and you can provide as many as you want and say where they are. And obviously you can provide as many charts or indeed save them at runtime. So let's provide this above the grid, and you can see we're now showing our chart above the grid. Let's hide it. Let's look at the other chart, and obviously you can see as many as you want simultaneously below the grid. And there we are, we're showing a pie chart which we've created earlier in this custom location under the grid. So you're able to create as many charts as you want, save them, define them, use them how best fits your requirement. It doesn't need to be AG Grid's charts, though as I say, that is the primary use case. It can be any charting library at all, and like everything in AdapTable, it just works to make you more efficient and more productive. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please get in touch and we look forward to hearing from you, or indeed providing you with your own free, no obligation trial license so you can try out AdapTable for yourself with your own data.